Are you ready to ditch your operating system and dive into Linux with Ubuntu, all from a simple USB drive? First things first, you'll need a few things: a USB drive that's at least 8 GB, a stable internet connection, and of course, a computer. Head over to the Ubuntu website and download the latest Ubuntu desktop ISO file. Oh, that's downloading. Get ready to make this USB bootable and download Rufus. This will help us create a bootable drive to install the OS. Open Rufus first. Select the USB drive you want to use from the device drop-down menu. Double-check that you have selected the correct drive, because everything on it will be erased. Next, click on Select and choose the Ubuntu ISO file you downloaded. Rufus will automatically detect the settings, so leave those as they are. Then click Start. You'll be warned that all data on the USB drive will be destroyed. Confirm this and click OK. Rufus will then begin to create your bootable USB drive, which will take a few minutes. Once Rufus is finished, it's time to boot your computer from the USB drive. This usually involves entering the BIOS or UEFI settings. The way to do this varies depending on your computer, but it often involves pressing a specific key like Delete, F2, F12, or S during startup. In the BIOS, find the boot order or similar settings and make sure your USB drive is listed as the first boot device. Save the settings and exit. Your computer should now boot from the USB drive. Select Try Ubuntu to test the OS or Install Ubuntu to install it on your hard drive, and just like that, you are now ready to use Ubuntu.